All right, guys, this is going to be a quick video of us replacing the Ross Racing PCV cap pressure crankcase ventilation. The reason why we're going to be replacing it is because our boys Black Market Racing / Jensen, he sent us a prototype / beta cap cover that does not utilize Allen wrenches. You know, nothing against Ross Racing, but it does have its problems without using RTB. So here is the nice piece of billet. Billet is always nice. I'm pretty sure that's billet too, but this is nicer in my opinion. Ross Racing didn't really sponsor the video I made for him, so this is more of a sponsored video from Black Market Racing. And you know, they make really nice cash cans. They make block off pins if you have a Gen 2 B58, you know, for your valve cover in a sense. You gotta take off your valve cover. It's for your head. It prevents unnecessary pressure just going through your whole motor. And I'm trying to open this because I haven't opened it and I've had this thing for like a month. I'm sorry, Jensen. I was meaning to make a video, but I had 3 cars to wrap last month. But here we are, 3 a.m. doing this not only for you, but because I want to showcase a great product. Let's get a little closer. Here is the PCV cap. It does use a 10AN ORB fitting that we'll just be using from that because that is just a generic banjo 10AN. So here it is, Black Market Racing, some nice, what would you call that? CNC machining. And then on the inside, so this one, the great thing about this one is it utilizes a twist cap design. As you can see, these grooves, instead of using a Allen wrench that, you know, can potentially crack your valve cover, should not be great. So, and it has our little O-ring right here, and then we have a big thick O-ring around the edge. Should create a good seal. And I think he did tell me some people have already tested this out, and he might be sending me a new one of these because it might have a small leak. But this one already is a bit thicker in quality compared to the Ross Racing one, which we will pull off right now. Okay, so yeah, don't mind the gunk. It's common on these PCV deletes. I've seen worse for people who live in colder conditions where it's literally mayo or like butter in there. This one's not that bad. But yeah, the O-rings, the quality on the O-rings aren't the greatest. They expanded in some areas they shouldn't, as you can see. Again, like Ross Racing, nothing against him, but I think a better product is out there. We're gonna reutilize this banjo fitting up top, and then we're gonna replace the crankcase ventilation for the exhaust cam side thing. So now we have the banjo fitting transferred over. It's a little dirty, but I'm not gonna spray brake clean on it. But here it is. Black Market Racing. Is it focusing? Yeah. And then there's the 10AN going to the bottom to pick up vacuum, blow by. All right, let's pop this on real quick, and then I will give y'all a quick zoomed in shot, and then we'll switch out the Ross Racing branding on the crankcase side. So we're gonna twist it left. Oh yeah, and it's facing straight front, so that's how it should be. Oh yeah. That looks so fire. Nice. And then we're gonna replace that crankcase, PCV, all the same thing. We're gonna replace this piece right here just because it has Ross Racing on it. We're gonna replace it with this radium fitting, and there is a small piece of radium branding, but I mean, if you see this green in the engine bay, you know it's radium. So shout out to Jensen for sending this to me for free, including the billet cap, and let's get this installed. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna fast forward this part. You can kind of tell the green. You know, Ross Racing, he put his branding everywhere. It's fine. Still created a great product because this fitting was for low profile stuff, so it can fit top mount applications. So, you know, that's the best we're gonna get, but not really shading against Ross Racing. It's just a PCV cover that he created, but everything else he engineered is really great. Yeah, this is a low profile 90 degrees, so it cleared turbo. Don't know how this will do with the larger turbo, but for now that works great. But that is a beautiful piece of machinery, metalwork, CNCing. But yeah, that is this video. Short and quick. If you didn't watch the last video, go watch it, because it's like 4 a.m. right now. Time for me to go home. I need to go do a log too.
See the clock? Point at the clock.
Oh, that's that's a noose. It focused on the noose. Okay, subscribe. Go buy some black market racing stuff. Message them, DM them on Instagram. I'll link them below. Go give them a follow. Tell them I sent you so I'm not gonna make money off of this. Bye.